As of now, I think the way the things are actually, if you see that even the secondary market rates have gone up. So, I mean, going by the cost of funds that the banks have, I don't really think in the existing system there is any scope for cutting rates at this point of time. If you see even the secondary market, the CP rates, which had actually gone down quite a bit, are now almost back to the level of the bank's base rates. So, the new system comes into force from 1st of April, and that I think we need to see how it pans out. But as of now, we don't really think any changes in the interest rates, either on the deposit side or the lending side.
I think the policy is substantially as expected, given the backdrop of what we have seen happen to very unseasonal rains. We have seen drought-like conditions 2 years in a row. We have seen global volatility getting somewhat more accentuated. And also, to some extent, what happened with Bank of Japan last week in terms of rates going into the minus territory, as it did in ECB in Sweden and Denmark and Switzerland last year. So I think under the circumstances, despite achievement of the inflation target at well below 6%, despite the fact that wholesale price index is still like in the minus range, I believe under the circumstances this is a fairly safe and accommodative policy.
One part which they have said that startup will be encouraged to be established. Then if private sector investment has also to come through, these two parts we are looking at, how the budget gives that direction to, how much of incentive is going to come either onto the SEZs or to the MSME sector. That will make a direction which side it comes to. Banks will be certainly happy if the rates are further reduced, but the Reserve Bank has given a clear indication, if inflation comes down, policy will be accommodative. I think to that extent, indications are positive.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.